I'm not fucking bugging. I know crazy motherfucker. Fuck you, toy. Fuck you, toy. Fuck you, toy. Grandma ain't buy you. Grandma ain't buy you.
Oh!
Oh yeah. Yeah, that went out.
It seems. Oh!
I would've been beating my meat to midget pulling, you hear me? You fucking, you fucking, you fucking.
Alright, what's going on guys? It's Conrad, and today we're probably doing my stupidest idea yet. I had an idea to do a 24-hour bike challenge. You know, stay on the bike for 24 hours. And I thought it was a good idea in the summer. And then I never got around to it in the summer. And now it's almost winter and I want to do it. And somehow I actually convinced my friends to do it with me. But we're going to start the challenge at 5 p.m. from Friday night into 5 p.m. Saturday night. But yeah, this is probably the stupidest idea I have ever had. But hey, it makes good YouTube content, right? And it's also, like, keep in mind, we also all woke up whatever time we woke up. So I woke up at 9 in the morning and we're doing this challenge at 5 p.m. So I'm actually gonna be awake more than 24 hours. So this is gonna be interesting.
Bro,
What happened?
they replaced it, bro. They replaced the Hubba Bubba. They replaced it. What is this?
Boy, who the fuck is this new nigga on the block?
New York? Oh, okay. 4:59.
Hold on, wait for it, bro. Oh my gosh, senior call.
5 o'clock.
Dude.
Alright.
Alright, what's going on guys? It's Conrad. I'm out here with Wallerd and Max. We out here doing something stupid. We're doing a 24-hour challenge.
Oh yeah, me and Wallerd both have bags, and then there's just Max with no bag. Just planning to survive the night like that.
Alright, so we're like 10 minutes in. We're 10 minutes in. Wallerd over here wants to quit already.
I didn't say quit, I'm just saying, like, if we're 4 hours into riding, we take it a little break, okay?
Nah.
It's out of shape.
Nah, you gotta
I got
prep.
a little tummy. I don't know what you're talking about. Look at this. Niggas need to breathe.
There's gonna be a link in the description also to Wallerd's and Max's channel. So if you want to check out their perspectives of their 24-hour, if they upload it, it's 5:24. Walk on this big hill, because there's this big hill that we could ride down and get some clips.
It's been 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Yo, I'll see you guys down there.
Would have been worse if we were riding.
Alright, so we find this big hill. I'm about to ride it. Max is about to do some combos down it. I'm gonna try to do something down it.
You can take Max.
Don't work. It's 5:30. We're 30 minutes in. Killed a lot of energy on that hill. Kind of thirsty, kind of hungry.
Yep. 30 minutes in, guys. 30 minutes in.
30 minutes into learning how to ride a bike.
I'm scared to pass you. I know, but I'm scared to go in front of you and get a better angle.
I would kind of want that now.
He's gonna show some work.
What was that? What the fuck?
Alright, it's 5:57. Show them time.
But yeah, 5:57. We out here 1 whole hour.
We did 1 whole hour. We're at the strip right now. I'm gonna get a couple clips over here because we're gonna chill over here for like 30 minutes and we're gonna head over somewhere else. But we got Wallerd. But I get some clips if I land some.
You better tag my Instagram, bro. Swear to God, you never do it.
Fake ass friends, bro.
Honestly. Ooh, kill him.
Alright, taking our first pit stop. Taking our first pit stop over here at the deli. Bro, the best deli out here, Huguenot Deli.
Facts.
We out here getting water. We about to go ride some more after the water, man.
I don't mean to flex, but
Oh, you got an iPhone XS, bro?
625.
Oh, it's 6:25 and it's already getting dark.
24-hour bike ride challenge in the freezing winter, bro.
Wait, a thunderstorm in the middle of it.
Yo, clickbait or not?
We got rain coming. $7:03, we out here. We're just riding. Got some clips, got Max, Waller's still with me. We're gonna survive this. I actually feel like we could all do this. I don't know about Waller though, right Max?
That's right.
That's right. We're trying to get some food real quick and then we're gonna head over to the city. How's your food? It's great. How about you, Max? Oh, hey, how's your food? How's your food?
Yo, it's pretty good actually. I like this one. It tastes mad good.
Drugs.
Yeah, this is actual Subway music. How do you feel right now?
I feel like you better move, nigga.
It's better not happen for the next 17 hours.
Oh, it's a train! Alright, so we're about to head to the city right now. People right there is looking at me. We're taking the train because we don't want to get robbed. Straight up, we could ride there, but we don't want to get robbed. So we're gonna ride halfway there, pretty much, because like that's like half, pretty much. We're gonna ride third there. A third of the way there. We're gonna get off the train early and then ride there, and then we're gonna hopefully meet up in the city with CCS Corey and everybody. By everybody, I mean whoever he brings, because he always brings people out, no matter what time it is. It could be 3 a.m. He get everybody out here.
Real bike life shit.
Are you gonna bleep that? Yeah, I think I should, man. Kids are watching. Guys, it's 7:46.
To the city.
We're all headed to the city.
With
We're meeting up with CCS Corey
a few other people.
and a few other people.
I wasn't recording.
You're not recording?
Hey, bro, let me record you recording yourself recording me.
Okay. All right. So. Oh, okay. All right. If people. Wait, hold on. Let's move over. Right there. The people right there. Like, just look.
Bro, the way we all shifted right now.
All right. So we're going to the city
We're meeting CCS Corey.
with whoever he brings.
I wasn't even recording that.
You. Yeah, we're only like. What time is it?
7:46.
7:40. God damn, we're retired. So how you feeling, man? We
Like
It's 7:48.
feeling what? Just throughout the night?
how do you? What's your vibe right now? Since we're going to the city, we just got a couple hours done of riding. How you feeling after that? And how do you plan to continue surviving the 24 hours?
So I'm excited. Well, okay, that didn't sound exciting, but like I'm not mad. Why would I be mad? All right, let's restart this.
I feel happy we're doing this.
You feel happy?
Yeah.
You feel like this will allow you to start your YouTube career?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is gonna get the 1 million views.
That's what you hope. That's what you hope. So like bumpy and stuff.
Back a little.
Alright, 8:11. We're at the ferry. What are you guys doing?
I'm getting blown with nose. You wanna watch?
Yeah, I wanna watch. 8:12. Heading over to the city. Where are we gonna ride today? Show everybody where we're gonna ride.
Not up there.
Not up there. And at 2 a.m. right there, yeah.
That's no bueno. We're gonna ride right there.
In
Right.
Brooklyn?
No.
That's
right,
Brooklyn, bro.
Right there.
That's
No. Right
that's
over here.
I think that is Staten Island.
Right, we gonna,
Is
we
it?
gonna
Wait,
be
is that
like-
Staten Island up there?
I think so. Right. This is fucking Staten Island.
Oh wait, yeah, that is Staten Island. We don't even know how Old Island looks like. It's not even close. Like, what is that?
We're not going that far. You're bugging.
All right, so we got the bikes over here.
And the people over here.
Yeah. Hi guys, we're going to the city. People are looking at us weird, but it's okay. What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock. We just got in the city. We're waiting for Corey. We're 4 hours in. Waller's already talking about quitting like at least 100 times, and it's fun. Max, you cold? You cold, bro?
I have a wedgie.
He has a wedgie. Leave him alone.
All right. Max is cold.
No one is comfortable with their underwear running up their butt crack. Why you always gotta be so difficult?
No. Oh. Pretty boy Floyd right here. Beyonce had her 2 sisters and her mom, TOC, Chili Boz, and the other third chick. Come on, Chili Boz.
I have no idea.
Come on, Suleiman.
Come on.
I'm telling him, he knows.
Hey, what?
Nah, I feel like he knows, but he's blacking out right now. Chili
Oh, Max, come on, you just
Boz.
told us.
No, so you at TOC. I don't know.
Jalapeno?
I'm trying to get
I think he knows.
He doesn't know. He straight up looked at me. He's like, "What the fuck is that?" Fuck Shaggy, nigga. We don't see no Scooby, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. Oh. I'm not fucking bugging. I know crazy motherfucker. I'm crazy, but I ain't crazy. I know what I'm talking about. I know who you are, but this nigga. Fuck you, toy. Fuck you, toy. Grandma and buy you. Merry Christmas. Look at his face. Look at him. He's grilling me while appreciating me. He's like, I kind of like this nigga, but this nigga need to shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
WHA doesn't gotta be the right way. And L-E-E-D.
Yeah.
W-H-A-L-E-E-D. Waleed.
Forget the H. W-A-L-E-E-D.
All right, we out here in the city. We just met up with Corey.
We just met up with a crackhead.
We have met a new friend. What was his name again?
Something Paris. Nick Conrad.
Nick Conrad Paris. We met Nick Conrad Paris. What do you guys say about Nick? Like Nick?
I love her.
Interesting dude. I don't know how he read me as a sidekick or something.
Dude, he literally read Max. no, he literally said everything Max does.
Don't do drugs, kid.
Don't get drunk in the middle of the night. We're about to see a lot of drunk people because we're gonna be in Soho and everything. You know what we're doing?
My guys.
No. You know what we're doing?
Being fucking hooligans.
We're doing a 24-hour challenge. We're staying on our bikes for 24 hours. We're not doing just a night. We're doing the whole since 5 p.m. to 5 p.m.
I'm down.
You want to come with us the rest of the way?
I'm down. Everybody just reported Corey.
Okay. Oh. Oh, it's a thing right there.
Alright, I've got 1 minute to land.
What do you guys say about that, man?
Chickens aren't food. They're friends.
Damn, that's kind of sad. They came out of friends.
Shit, I'm hungry.
Want to get some chicken?
Everyone's junior, so that won't be for a while. And also, by the way, we're over 32. No way we're over 32. I've heard from like one up so hard.
All right,
9:34.
let me see it. You guys show the cam.
9:34, my G's.
It's 9:34. How many hours are we in? 4.5?
4.5.
4.5 hours in. Corey's
I was dying
gonna join us now for the rest of the time.
Fucking dark. It's not my fault. I'm black, okay?
But yeah, we're at some square. What is this, Washington Square?
Washington Circle Park. Circle. Where do you see a square? The block is a square. I don't care.
But yeah, we out here at Washington Square, Circle Park. We're about to get. Wait, you need to fix your bike still or not? Yeah. We need to fix his bike, and then we're gonna go and mess around people at Soho, drunk people. All right, so Corey got a slow leak. He's gonna try to.
I broke the phone.
He's gonna try to get this tire off and literally put a patch in it and then pump it in air. Bro, you got this. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You pull that way. You're ripping the whole thing.
I am.
I don't know. I'm hearing some rips.
Holy shit. Look at me while you do it. Look at me while you do it.
What's up with it?
Well, learn.
What's up with it?
Everybody, look at this. Well, look at it. Everybody.
What's up with it? Team effort.
Well, learn.
Before I take this inner tube out, I patched this shit so many times before I left my house. I told you I had a leak before I left my house.
So how many patches does it have?
Want to see? 1, 2, 3, 4.
On the same spot.
Because this is where the fucking hole. I'm not sure.
So we got 4 patches on that bitch. Hole over here. We got 4 holes over here. And we got another patch coming.
Gotta do what you gotta do to be bike life.
You know, like these tubes are expensive. $7. Like, get out of here.
To do a 24-hour challenge with Conrad, you gotta. He's not the only one here, okay? 24 hours with Waller. Okay. So this is what you do. You wanna take your patch. You wanna locate your hole.
Locate the hole. I have trouble doing that, so can you show me how to locate the hole?
All right, what you do is you feel around.
Oh, you feel around?
You feel around.
Oh, where that huge marker spot is?
No. You feel around, and when she moans, that's where it is. And then you take your lube, your condom lube.
Oh, the condom lube. Okay.
Yeah, the condom lube.
What kind of lube do you recommend?
Um,
What kind of condoms do you recommend, first of all?
don't wear condoms, kids.
Don't wear condom, okay?
Don't wear condoms. Just have babies.
Just ha-
Since this is quick cement, they're gonna want to let it dry for a second.
Quick cement? Okay, yeah.
You're gonna let it.
You definitely want.
You want to let it dry for a second.
Okay.
And then you just
You completely missed the hole?
completely slap on the condom. I might have fucked the condom up right there a little bit.
Got a little bit of leakage in the condom.
I missed the hole completely.
Yeah, that's what I said. You missed the hole completely.
We circled it too.
I know, I circled the whole hole for him. Corey just be having the bitches scream that. Bitch, what I say?
Who's the GOAT?
Who's the GOAT?
Who's the GOAT?
CCS CTO?
Just fucking run around butt ass naked. Oh!
Oh yeah. Yeah, that went out.
Hold on.
Yo!
The seam split.
No.
Oh, what?
Oh no. The entire seam.
Oh!
Friday.
Really?
Hey Siri.
We just did that again. If this works, it's gonna be a miracle. Because this man is actually dedicated to actually ride 24 hours with us. The
Yo.
only man that actually is
Like-
down to do this.
Actually, step on it for 5 minutes.
If we fucking had
Yo,
tape,
you're.
if we had tape.
Oh no! Oh no! It went
If we had tape.
the tire went through 2 way home. See? Oh, the tire split.
Hey yo, what happened?
So.
we're not doing
No.
He about to wheelie.
He might have just. He's out.
go, we got the bites out. We 6 hours in. Only 18 hours to go. And Corey's somewhere wheeling because he doesn't have a... I'm pretty sure it's 11 o'clock. We 6 hours in.
Let's see what time is it. You gotta show the camera, man.
Timestamp?
You can't be phony, man. You gotta show them the
You already
camera.
know Corey doing some dumb shit.
Yeah, Corey probably getting arrested right now.
10:56. Basically 11 o'clock.
So how 7 hours in?
6 hours in.
6 hours in. Corey has a flat still, wheeling around somewhere. We in Times
Still
Square.
working though.
In Times Square, just chilling. It's packed. I don't know where Corey's at. Should probably find them. Corey, how you doing?
That's how I'm doing. Like shit. Flat. He's our brother. Oh yeah, let's take boomerangs. Let's take boomerangs. What the fuck was that? So loud. It's 11:57.
All right, so we out here. It's like pretty much midnight right now, and we about to wait for somebody to bring Corey a tool so we could fix his flat finally because he still has a flat. And we're gonna head back to SI probably like when it gets light out because we're gonna stay in the city for a while.
57.
12:57
I
a.m.
just realized every timestamp we're always like 3 minutes behind the actual.
I know, yeah, but it's almost 1 a.m. and I think Corey got a flat at like 10, but now it's like 1 a.m. and we got him a tube.
What time is it?
It's like 1 a.m. and we just got you a tube. All right, we're pulling back up to the spot over here.
I'm scared of fucking ripping. Yo, you go with that. Just fucking put it in.
Just do that one more time. Do that one more time. All right, stop. That's
Oh,
good.
nah, you're wild.
Try that. Try
That's
that. Yeah, Corey. Yeah.
I'm not fucking this up. He's fucking this up. Jesus.
All right, so there's actually a big ass hole in this tire that we
got
saw.
mad stretch marks in his fucking
We saw it before, and I think it is going flat again. Might be something in there. Corey, fuck!
How are you milking it? We found it.
All right, we back at Danny Cycles for a third time, I guess. Back here again. We're gonna put a new tube in his bike again. Somehow he got another tube. I don't know how he got one, but he acquired a tube. Right, Corey?
Yeah, I found it.
You found a tube. All right.
We found this lying on the floor.
All right, yo. What's the time?
1:56.
4 minutes before. All right. It's 1:56 a.m.
Yo, every fucking hour.
It's like 3 minutes before
Yeah,
the
I
fucking...
did.
Yeah.
I said that.
All right, so it's 1:56. We out here. It's Danny Cycles. We are just fixing his bike again.
Yo, shout out to Danny Cycles for having a pump outside.
I know, right? We would so be like not doing anything right now.
Corey would have been home right now if it
Yeah, you would have been at home enjoying your life, but now instead you're wasting your time with us.
Yeah, I would have been home too.
I would have been beating my meat to midget point, you hear me?
Boy, yo!
Don't stop the video. Come here. Pull up. Alright, look.
This
That's
mic
CCS
smell
AJ,
weird.
right? Look. You go to here. What the fuck, bro? Go to saved. Y'all see that midget's ass though? God damn, bro. Look at that midget, bro. That's a midget, bro. Yo, this midget got the fatty, bro. If y'all say you wanna kill her, I would kill her. Oh.
Alright, third time's the charm.
Where's the wrench?
Pretty valid.
Where's the wrench?
Third time's the charm. All he wants to do is ride his bike like the rest of us.
But no, this is my third fucking flat tonight!
It's almost 3 a.m. and we out here. It just started raining. We were waiting for some pizza. We got some Domino's. And we're not even halfway through and we're all dying. Alright, so it's like 3:15 a.m. Corey has brought us over here to some tunnel. And we're chilling here for the rain to stop because the rain is gonna be raining from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. How do you guys feel about this challenge, you know?
Shit's whack.
Don't listen to Conrad when he calls you a fucking
At 6 in the afternoon, actually, do you want to do a fucking 24-hour challenge? Stay home and sleep, please.
You guys are assholes. You know what? I'm trying to enjoy our lives and do new things. That's what I get.
Bro, this dude's brakes is too tappy, bro. I need your help. Hello? The fuck, bro? You got me tight, right? Hung up.
403.
It's 4 a.m. We're out here in the rain because a cop came in the tunnels. And we're gonna find some drunk people and mess around with some drunk people. Got the cops right there watching these guys fight. Yeah, bro. And the boys are, look at the boys. The boys are right there.
What you gotta say about that, bro?
The boys is,
2018. These bitches. What the fuck we fighting over for?
that's what I'm saying.
Everybody.
Bitches are for everybody, right?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Why are they fighting for?
Fighting over the Baba trees. Hey,
Come on, son. They gotta wake up.
All right, so it's 4:40 a.m. We're just chilling here. It started raining again. Everybody's contemplating life and suicide. It's okay. All right, so it's officially 12 hours in. It's 5 o'clock a.m. My phone could be wherever way I want it to be.
Okay.
It's 5 a.m. How do you feel?
I feel energetic. We're just waiting for the rain to stop so we can move a little bit, and it's all good.
Corey, how do you feel?
Corey don't give a shit no more.
I have a lazy eye right now. That's how fucking tired I am. My right eye is heavy as shit.
He does not stop talking since 1 a.m.
That much energy at 1 a.m.
Y'all got that sour, hit me up. You hear me? Got that sour, got the Cali shit. Yo, smell that shit. That shit is fire, you hear me? Let's go. This is like 2 ounces right here. I got y'all, you
4
feel
hours
me?
in, and
AJ the plug.
all he's doing is talking and talking and
Yo,
talking.
bro. My sour right here costs more than your whole fit. Don't do that. Don't do that. Follow me on the gram, CCS_AJJ. Wow, he gonna edit that out, watch. Don't do that.
Don't
Got
do
the
that.
low dope right here. He not a baby, he just low dope. Low dope. That's low dope status.
And-
Hey, wake the fuck up, yeah?
Yo, I want to know, what would you guys do if you guys just saw 5 kids walking their bikes in the middle of the street at 5 in the morning? That's what's going on over here. We're just in the middle of the street walking our bikes. Then you saw that sliding down your block.
Suck my dick, nigga.
Yo, SpongeBob, you good?
SpongeBob! Yo, wait, yo, Corey.
You fucking. Yo, mister, how was your morning?
5:45, Corey's giving up on us.
I need my bed. It's been a real adventure. But I've been up for 3 days straight now.
He ain't with it, he's lying to us.
I can't do it.
Oh my god, my guy's mad. Good morning. What time is it? 6:31 in the morning. It's like 7 a.m. Chilling here. What? Oh. I can't even zoom in. It's 7:05. Sun's about to rise like 7:11 or something. So we're gonna chill here for a little bit. In the city still, it's only us 3. Everybody else left us. Your phone's about to die, bro. Nah. But yeah, it's only us 3. And we about to just chill here, get the sun to rise. So it wakes us up a little bit because it's pretty dark out here for the past like 12 hours. And the whole time we've been riding. So yeah, wait for the sun, and then we're gonna do some shit here, and then go to SI.
Wake up. Cheater. I'm not sleeping. Cheater. Wake up.
Boy, you was lucky I didn't beat your ass.
8:04. Made it to the train. Everybody's dead. Alright, so it's like 9 o'clock. I'm with my son Max. While Lur left us, he gave up. He was not with it. Right?
Yeah.
Well, Lur's not with it, so it's 9 o'clock. It's just me and Max. And it's been drizzling like all morning, so we're gonna try to like hopefully get some good weather and get some riding in, because right now it's just like we're riding in drizzling weather and it's just stupid. Like, we can't even wheelie or anything. Yeah, just me and Max right now. We back on the island, and I don't know, we about to find something to do. It's 9 o'clock, we have till 5, so